How to withdraw money from Wise to bank account in India. I'm going to show you how you can easily withdraw money from Wise to bank account in India. First, log in to Wise online or in the Wise app, or open the Wise desktop site or log in on the app for convenience. You'll be taken to your account overview where you can check your balance and set up the withdrawal. Then select the balance you want to withdraw from. You will see the currency balances and the funds you hold on the left-hand menu. If you're using the website, or along the top of the screen if you've logged in using the Wise app, next, choose the currency you want to withdraw from and tap or click. Now enter the details of the withdrawal. Click Send and enter the amount and currency you want to withdraw. If you're converting your balance to another currency to withdraw it, you will get to see the exchange rate and fee that will apply to the withdrawal and how much you will get in the end. Then confirm the account you want to withdraw to. Next, you will need to add the details of the account you want to receive money or choose yourself as an existing recipient if you've withdrawn funds to that account before. If you're withdrawing to the account for the first time, just follow the prompts to enter all the details required. This can vary a little depending on the currency. In the end, click Send Money. Check everything over, and once you're ready to go, click or tap the Send Money option. Your money will be on the way, and you will get a notification when it's been sent. You can also track your transfer by accessing your account.